How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, open up a browser in your device. Now go to chatgpt.com and here load up your chat. So here, this is my chat that I want to save as PDF. So once you have your chat, now tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Here tap on share, and from these options available, tap on print and load until you see the preview. And once you have that, there you have a few settings that you can change. Tap on this arrow icon, and now from here you can choose your paper size, the orientation that you want, and the color. And once you have done that, here make sure that you have chosen save as PDF from here, and then tap on this PDF icon right here. Now select the location where you want to save your PDF. Once done, tap on save option from the bottom right corner. And if you want to go and check the PDF file that you have saved recently, open up a file in your device, and there you can see under my downloads I have a PDF file. And that's how you can save your ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.